Happy Monday. I am back and feeling so much better. Although it is officially 92 degrees in the wing that I am currently in at work. So the custodians are in here frantically trying to cool it down, but it is hot. And if I say it's hot, it's like really hot because I'm always running my space heater. That's not even anywhere near going to be on today. I'm pouring sweat as we speak. It's kind of gross, but I'd rather be hot than cold, so we're gonna take it with a grain of salt. I just finished setting up my ghost toss activity, which I wanted to show you guys. Here is the bucket that I ended up picking up yesterday at Michael's. It's not as big as the one that I was hoping for, but it will do. And then I also saw some Play-Doh in like that dollar spot area that they have. In the store it looked orange, and on camera it looks orange, but in the car this morning it looked hot pink. So I'm not 100% sure what color it is. We're going to go with orange because I need it for pumpkins. So I did grab 3 of those because I always have a really hard time finding like specific colored Play-Doh. And then this is all of the stuff for the book that we're doing today and Bo the Ghost. And then in here all of my little ghosts that we made, and then they are just going to say their sound or answer a question and then toss it in. And actually that was pretty good because I normally don't get it on the first try. But there is a lot of space because I pushed the table against the wall, so we can have them go as far back as the door, which they probably won't. I probably won't even get it, so let's see. Nope, fell short. I am super excited to introduce that today. Hopefully the kiddos love it. It is a gloomy day outside, so hopefully this will pick them up on this dreary Monday. But I'm going to get all of my log notes set up because even if I can't print them, I want to make sure they're at least done. And I will check in with you guys around lunchtime and let you know how everything is working out. We have made it to lunchtime. The ghost toss is going off phenomenally. The kids love it and I am so excited. Not that I was super worried about it, but just since last week was such a flop, I was really hoping that they would get into this, and they definitely have. They love this whole idea. I had to work on like aligning some of the friends up against the wall because we were like hitting each other when we were throwing them, but other than that, it's going great. I did my There Was an Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything activity with my preschoolers. We only ended up doing the felt board because there was just not enough time to make the puppets, but I will be making the puppets with my afternoon group next door, so we will get that done. And overall, it's just been a really great day. I did find out that I have like a negligible amount of toner in my printer, so I am doing my best to print as many of my log notes as I can so I can start getting those in because I'm almost like 100 behind, and that's honestly grating on my nerves. So I am going to go do that while I eat my salad, and then we are going to kick off our afternoon to do some more ghost toss stuff. We made it to the end of the day, friends, and it was a pretty good day. Much better than last week for sure. It is still oppressively hot. The kids were not happy about that all day, and I don't blame them because I am sweating. Probably more so than I've ever sweat in my life. But it's been a long day of just a lot of heat, so hopefully tomorrow it's fixed. We actually didn't end up doing There Was an Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything in my last group. We ended up making Play-Doh. The only thing is that you do need a heat source, so it's definitely something that you want to make at home and then bring in to work. So I'm probably going to actually make some of that this weekend because then I don't have to worry about hunting for colored Play-Doh at the stores. I can just make my own. And like I said, it lasts so long and it doesn't really dry out. So definitely excited to try that. I will let you guys know how that goes, but I'm about to go get out of here now because I am sweating to death and it is a gloomy day out and I have some stuff to get done at home. So I will check in with you guys and see you tomorrow for the rest of how our ghost toss goes. Bye guys!